Channel. Today's class I am going to discuss about how to write the Verilog HDL code for binary counter using for loop. So previous video we discussed briefly about how to use the for loop in Verilog HDL and also C language program. If you need it, kindly refer the video. Now we move on the session. So before I start to write the program, first I recall the term counter. So what is counter? So counter in the sense it counts the number of events. The counter is classified into different types. For example, binary up counter and down counter. So these two counters comes under binary counter. Now I am going to write the program. So as usual, you write module, then module name binary counter. So module name is binary counter. This binary counter count the value from 0 to 15. So this binary counter count the value from 0 to 15. Then input is clock. So this counter comes under sequential circuit. So input is clock. Then output is count. So this count value is 4-bit value, 3:0 count. Then register 3:0 I. So this I variable, so this variable also 4-bit value, it declares with the 3:0, then it's stored in a register. Then always at positive edge clock. So after hitting every positive edge clock, this counter value is incremented by 1 because it's a up counter. Then begin. Here I am using for loop to count the value from 0 to 15. So initial value I equal to 0. Then I initialize the condition I less than 16. I equal to I plus 1. So in C language for loop, here using open brace. So instead of open brace in Verilog HDL, use begin statement. Begin, then count, non-blocking statement I. So here initial value I equal to 0. So then check the condition I value is less than 16. So I value is 0 less than 16. The condition is true. Once the condition is true, it enter the loop. Here the statement is count non-blocking assignment I. So whatever value present in I, that value is assigned to count. So now count value equal to 0. Then I equal to I plus 1. So now I value goes to 1. Then end. So here condition is true. Once again this loop is execute. So now I value equal to 1. So 1 less than 16. So here also the condition is true. So condition is true means it entered the statement. So count non-blocking assignment I. So now I value is 1. So this 1 is assigned to count. Now this value is 1. So like this loop continuously run up to 15. Suppose I value is 16 in the sense 16 less than 16, the condition is false. So once the condition is false, this loop is exit. So then end. So end for this begin. The final statement end module. So close the module. So it's a simple program for binary counter using for loop. I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.